And we are back with another episode of Nichols Know-how. Today I got this Amazon delivery in the mail, came home from work. Of course it was sitting on my front steps. What's wrong with the post office? Why they sit things on the front steps?
Porch pirates is what they call them. These alleged thieves sneak into yards and steal packages left on doorsteps. Reports show at least 23 million Americans have fallen victim to the crime.
People just pass by and take stuff, but I'll talk with them later. Right now, let's see what goodies we have in here. Everybody loves to get an Amazon package. Safety first. And what do we have here? The Tesvor Robot Vacuum. The Tesvor S6 Navigation 2700 PA Auto Charging Robot Vacuum Cleaner, compatible with Alexa and Apple. Ideal for pet hair and dust, carpets and hard floors. Here we have the Tesvor S6 Robotic Vacuum, compatible with Google Home and Amazon Alexa. So you don't even have to lift a finger. Just give it the command.
Alexa, turn on robot.
All right, in the box we have the Tesvor S6 Smart Robot Vacuum user manual. Always good to have one of those. Little packaging foam. Thanks for choosing Tesvor. Do I get something free? Ooh, free gifts. Let's see what we have in here. A few extra filters for when you need to change the filter. Here is the power adapter. A remote control. We'll probably lose this, so I know that they have an app for the iPhone, so I will be using the app more than the remote control. Now here we have the Tesvor robot. Let's take this plastic off and see how it looks. Ooh, it's a nice kind of dark blue, almost black finish, shiny, nice and shiny. Up top you see you have this rotating eye. It scans the room, sees where obstacles are, it navigates around them, and it also maps the room. You also have a nice bumper just in case it runs into something, it won't take it out. And here we have two sets of brushes. You have a right and a left. The gold is for right. We'll put that on like that. The white is left. And they just snap right in. Now you're ready to get some sweeping done. A nice little cleaning tool to clean out the roller and the brushes. And here we have the charging dock. The good thing about this robot is when it is out of battery, or when it senses that it is running out of battery, it will automatically go back to the charger. You don't have to run around the house and see where it died at and take it back and plug it in. It will go back on its own. So there we have everything that is included in the box for the Tesvor S6 Robot Vacuum. We will give this baby a test run. and be back with our review and our opinion on how good of a robot vacuum this is. Thank you again for tuning in to Nichols Know-how. Come back next week. Safety first.